Testing, testing. So today we are going to talk about how to calculate the area of a quarter of a unit circle. That is a circle with the radius of 1. So and look at this picture. If we divided the quarter of a unit circle into many pieces like this, say 4 pieces. And then we need to add up the area of this rectangle and this rectangle and this rectangle and this rectangle, so we can get the approximate area of this quarter circle. So if I divided the quarter circle many times enough, I can get the more accurate result. So in my code, I will make the unit circle 10,000 times bigger. That means the radius of the circle is 10,000. So I will divide it by 10,000 divided by the quarter circle by 10,000 times. So the length of each circle is 1, and you can see it here. Yes. So actually when we get the result of the area, and we can get the approximate value of pi by multiplying the area by 4. So let's look at the code now. So I will import math at first, and then I will define the function. So in the function, the first is the accumulator to add up the area of each rectangle. And then as I divide the circle, the big circle, by 10,000 times, I will need a for loop from 1 to maybe 10,000. And then as I divide it by 10,000 times, the width of each rectangle is always 1, right? And then I need to calculate the left hand side. Please look at the picture here. I need to calculate the length of this one, and then the length of this one, and then I get the average, and I get this one right here. Yeah, and then this one should be the length of each rectangle. So you can see it here. I will plug in the each function, plug in the x value to each of them, and I get y1 and y2. And then the y3 is the real length of the rectangle, and it's the average of y1 and y2. So the area of each rectangle is x multiplies y3, and then each time I get the area of that rectangle, I will add it up in my accumulator right here. And then when the for loop ends, I get the approximate area of the quarter circle with the radius of 10,000. That is much bigger than a unit circle, right? So if I need to get the approximate area of a unit circle, I need to divide the result by the radius times itself. So this is the approximate area is the accumulator divided by 10,000 square, and then the approximate pi will be the area times 4, and then I will print out the result of approximate pi, and the difference from the pi in math module in Python and the pi I get from my calculation. And then at last I will also print out the approximate area of the quarter circle of the radius of 1. So let's run and see what happens. Yes, so you can see the approximate pi I get is 3.14159, and the difference from 2 pi's is, you see, I think it's small enough. If I make the circle bigger and divide it by more times, I will get a more accurate result. And the approximate area is just 1/4 of the approximate pi. So that's it. Thank you for watching.